In this video, I'm going to show you a high win rate forex trading strategy for beginners. If you don't know me, my name is Kenwilboy. I'm the founder of Fortuna Markets, the best broker in the world, and I'm also a professional trader with over 10 years of trading experience across multiple markets. Okay, let's begin. This is one of my account. Take a look here. I've managed to turn this account from just $100, small amount, to now over $300,000. Yes, $100 to over $300,000. And keep in mind, this is just one of my account. Not my biggest account, but not also my smallest account. Okay, so how did I manage to turn $100 into $300,000 like this? Take a look here. See, this is from the last 365 days. Yep. I've made some profits. I've lose a lot of money too on this account. Yeah, just, you know, part of trading. Win and losses, both are part of trading. So which strategy did I use? How did I manage to turn this that small amount of money into huge sum of money? So the strategy I'm using is basic support and resistance. So if you don't know what is support and resistance, support is basically the floor, resistance is the ceiling. When the resistance is broken, means the price will rise drastically. When the floor is broken, means price will fall drastically. Okay, I'll show you here. If the price moves like this, means this is the support level, roughly. This is the resistance. See here, the price normally bounce to the opposite direction. When it touches the support or resistance, if it touches the support, then it stops falling and starts rising. And the other way around. If the price touches the resistance, normally it would stop rising and bounces down. What happens if something like this happen? Okay, so the resistance is broken. It means the support is now the resistance. That's called support, not support, sorry. Resistance becomes support. See here? And the price will move like this and eventually go back up like this. See? The resistance becomes a support because the resistance is broken. It means the uptrend continues. It won't turn into a downtrend. But if a resistance is not broken, the price would normally bounce off the resistance or the support level. This is the theory behind it, and if the support is broken, it's the same, means the price would continue to go down. So based on this information, I'll enter into my position. As a good trader, you cannot just randomly enter the market. You need to analyze it and enter at the right moment. So yeah, if the price is like this, probably I will wait for the price to come down to the support level or to the previous resistance level here. See, if you draw a line somewhere, something like this, I will wait for the price to come around here and starts buying. That's basically it, my strategy. But other than just strategy, you need to know about risk management methods or strategies too, other than just how to analyze like trading methods. You need to know risk management methods too, because the way you entered your trade matters to your account. If you enter it correctly, then you can grow your account. If you enter it wrong, then you can blow your account. So yeah, it's either grow or blow. Okay, so how did I enter my trades? Depends, small accounts or large accounts. But for small accounts, normally I entered with my high risk management strategies. Okay, high risk means full margin, all in. But it's not like all in. You sell everything. You sell your house, sell your car, sell your everything, sell your life, and deposit and just go all in. It's not like that. You know, you all in with what you have in your trading account. But you need, with the high risk method, make sure you only deposit the money that you're comfortable losing in the first place. So if you're only comfortable losing $100 or $1,000, then so be it. You only deposit that much money, 100 or 200, 1,000, and you go all in with that. The maximum money you can lose is 100%, right? You cannot lose money more than what you deposited into your trading account. That's the logic behind it. So you went all in, you use maximum leverage. For me, I normally use this, of course, and this is the best broker. Unlimited leverage by Fortuna Markets, because with more leverage means you can earn more money, of course with higher risk, but if you're using a small account, it's okay. Trading is a high risk activity in general, right? You can only minimize your risk so much, but still there will be some risk. You cannot just eliminate all the risk, because trading is high risk activity in general, right? That's the reason behind it. So if you can grow your account from $100 to like $1,000 or $2,000, you know, 1,000 or 2,000% gain, why not? The risk is only 100%, right? So it's a good risk to reward ratio. 1 to 10, 1 to 20, that's how you approach with high risk method or high risk management strategy. Now, how did I do it on my bigger account, you know, using the low risk management strategies? Well, with the low risk management strategy or method, you basically enter a smaller lot sizes, smaller trades. You use stop losses. Make sure, don't forget to use stop losses. And for me, if you want low risk trade, it's recommended to use 0.01 lots for every $100 in your trading account. So if you have $500 in your trading account, means you enter just 0.05 lots, and you can just multiply it. If you have 600, then you enter 0.06 lots per trade. That's a low risk trading strategy or low risk management method. Depends. Some traders like the high risk, some traders like the low risk. This account, how can I grow it from $100,000 to $300,000? Of course, in the beginning I use high risk, but as the accounts grow, I use lower and lower risk method, because I don't want to blow this account. At first, I'm going full margin. That's why I can quickly turn from 100 to 1,000, then 1,000 to $10,000. It's very quick because I'm using unlimited leverage, full margin. You know, with leverage, if you don't know what is leverage is basically some kind of loan from the broker, so you can trade bigger amounts. If you have 1,000 leverage, it means you can trade $1,000 worth of assets. In this case is gold. You can trade $1,000 worth of gold with just $1 in your trading account. If you have unlimited leverage, it means you can buy unlimited amount of gold with just a small amount of capital. Of course, the cost adds up because you have to pay for the spreads, right? If you buy more and more and more, and you start to pay more and more in spreads. So yeah, that's your limiting factor, not the leverage. If you're using unlimited leverage, it's not about the leverage, but the spreads. The moment the spreads is equal to your account balance, like if you have smaller account, then you basically, when you enter, you directly hit stop out. So yeah, be careful with unlimited leverage. You can open as much as possible, but of course the limit is your balance, right? Because you have to pay for the spreads. You cannot just enter, oh, I want to enter 100 lots, 1,000 lots. No, it doesn't work like that. But with unlimited leverage like this, you can enter very big amount. Actually, you can enter 1 lots with just $20 of capital. It's crazy amount. By the way, if you don't know, one lot is more than $300,000 worth of gold. So it's big. Yeah, it's big. And if you want an even easier strategy, well, we have what we call signals. Our team that drives this signal channel on Telegram is a professional traders with, if combined all the experiences, they have more than 100 years of combined experience. It's our team consists of professional traders across different markets. And yeah, take a look at this. This is one of our daily reports. See, our win rate for 18th of July is 100%. Yes. And we got also the VIP signals. It's even better because our signals is scalping, so you can make profit fast, quickly. If you want to join our signals, it's free. Links down below. And not only signals, we also give comprehensive education from A to Z, from zero to hero. Yes, link all the links down below. Yes, and if you want to register for Fortuna Markets too, links down below. If you use our signals with unlimited leverage on Fortuna Markets, boom, you can make tons of money. And thousands of traders, take a look here. Take a look. See here, Fortuna signals. Subscribers, 5K. Yes, more than 5,000 traders have already followed our signals. And that's actually a really good way to make money, using really good signals. With our average win rate is 90% plus, something like almost 99%. Combined with unlimited leverage, boom, you can make tons and tons of money. So yeah, links down below. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon down below. Thank you for watching. Peace out.